Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Today I will tell you about gesso. Gesso is basically a primer which make your canvas ready for painting. You can make the canvas surface texture as you wish by using gesso. It also makes the canvas white. So at first rub the canvas with sandpaper, or if you don't have that you can do it with any dish rub as I am doing now. Or you can use palette knife also, which is my favorite, to remove the rough spaces from the canvas. Paper, wood, wall and anywhere for acrylic painting you can use gesso as a primer. Gesso prevents your canvas from its absorbing tendency and it holds the color to make it more thick. There are different types of gesso available in the market, but I personally like camel artist gesso, and if it's not available I also use local brand gesso which I also make at home. This kind of brush is called gesso brush. Specifically you can find it in any market, and I have been using it quite long and the condition is not that good. So now I am applying the gesso, adding with little water to avoid thickness, and I'm applying it as the first coat, and after properly drying the first coat I will apply 2 more coats. So I'm applying the gesso with this white synthetic brush, which is also convenient for applying gesso. You can use acrylic colors, oil colors or even gouache colors. Any color gesso is a nice primer. So guys, you can also use gesso on paper, wood, wall or anywhere that you want to draw acrylic color. You can use gesso as a good primer. So guys, now I'll tell you how I make gesso at home. It's a very simple process. I just use any kind of gum, and with that gum I have to make some titanium white or any white color, acrylic color, and some water and mixing them. And after making the gesso you can put it in any airtight bottle or jar, and you can use it at least for 2-3 months. So guys, I'm back after some time and the first layer was properly dried. Now I'm applying the second layer here. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was helpful, please do subscribe and like the video.